Hey guys, Davicho here with Luma AI, and we are checking out Ray 3, our latest video model. And Ray 3 is all about creating consistent cinematic videos from either text prompts or image prompts, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. First, let's open up Dream Machine and start a new board. This is where you're going to keep all of your ideas organized and in one place. Next step is selecting our video model. For that, you'll head over to the settings panel here, this drop-down menu, and select Ray 3 from the list. Now you're good to go. Let's start with text to video, and I'm going to use this prompt. Real footage of a fox-peacock hybrid with the body of a fox and the feathers of a peacock walking along the desert. Now let's hit generate. As we're waiting for our results here, a quick note, Ray 3 and Dream Machine in general works best with short, natural language, simple prompts. Now let's try image to video. First, you'll want to upload an image or simply drag it into your composer from your computer and just hit generate. One of the coolest features of Ray 3 is HDR export. And with HDR, your videos get richer colors, deeper contrast, and more natural impact on screen. It works with text to video or image to video, and you just make sure to select HDR before you start generating. To select HDR, you're going to go back into your settings panel here, and from this drop-down menu, make sure HDR is selected before you start creating. And that's the quick tour. You've seen how to start a project, generate with both text and images, and even export in HDR. Thanks for watching, and go give Ray 3 a try inside of Davicho.